Hi, welcome, my friends. Today we will going to use this chain making a bracelet. I'm going to make the gold color bracelet today. Okay. So first we use this chain. It's so bling. Here. This one. Let's cut a size for bracelet. I cut it in 16 centimeter. 16 is 6.5 inch. Okay. One piece, this one. It's so sparkly. Okay. Here. Then I am going to use a charm. Here. It's going to use the charm. This one is a rainbow charm. And let's put with the string with the beads. Here. I'm going to use the beads make a piece of the wrapper necklace. So here I'm going to use the wire 0.4. We are wrap it here. It's the wire here. Wrapper. Let's go through the 2-piece beads. Here. And then make a loop. And during the step make the loop, I am going to put a stick or some spacers. I'm use the small cute heart chain. Cut 2 heart. 2 heart. 2 heart. Here. This way. Go hang on. Then wrap. This. Hello, Mommy. Happy to see you. We are making a bracelet today. Wrap. Tight. Here. Put the beads this. Fold it a loop. The heart. Okay, it's opposite here. This way. Okay. And again the beads. Thank you, my friends. Here is a channel share with you how to making the jewelry. Hi. What mm is the wire? I'm used the 0.4 mm, dear. Hi, Magnolia. Happy to see you. This is use the 0.4 dear. Blue beads. Blue beads is 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter. Okay. Let's hang on. Wrapper. Go hang on the wrapper. Tight. It's going to make a bracelet. If you are interested, you can come here to learn the way how I wrap the beads and the chain together. Here. Hang on. Tight. The string. And the wrapper. Here. Hello. My phone is it's busy tonight. Okay. Thank you. Hi, Coffee Land. Happy to see you. Received your box. That's great. Hello, Ticket. Happy to see you. Hope you like it, Coffee Land. Thank you. Okay, here. So it's going to be a cute bracelet, and I'm not only put one string, I will put two pieces of the link together. Okay. Here. Fold. And the wrapper. Tight. Here, tight. And two piece the beads again. The beads we use 3 millimeter. What wire? Dear brother, the wire is copper wire, and it is non-tannish. The size here we use is 26 gauge for this one. Thank you. Hello, Kate F. Hi. Happy to see you. Wrapper. This wrapper here. Thank you. Welcome to my life, my dear. It's wrapper again. Hang on. Hi. It's a channel share the tutorial how to make the jewelry, and we are not sell the ready-made. We are sell the jewelry supplies. So 2 beads string on, and use the plier. You are going to fold it at 2 o'clock, okay, and wrap it here. Then put a piece of the chain. 2 chain. Hi, bloody jewelry. Happy to see you. Tight here. And the wrapper. Okay, so this one done. Then, yeah, here. And we are going to put this one here and this one here. The piece. Okay, then this charm I'm going to hang on at the middle. We will use a jump ring to hang. It's going to use a jump ring hang on. Hi, Yanni, I will show you the rose gold chain. Hello, OWL, happy to see you. Here we hang on. Here. Tight. And the end we make like this. And the end we are going to use the extender clasper. Clasper the clock. Okay, hello, Benica, happy to see you. Use this one. Hello, happy to see you. Okay. Jumping to open it and hang on, tight. So this is the way that's make a very easy bracelet. The other side, if you don't want to keep the piece of this extender so much long, we can just cut. And here and hang on. Go hang and hang. Okay, it's here. Then it's the bracelet finish. Hi, 3D printers. Hi, Chic. Hi, it's still snowing. Yes, she does. She daily use. She sells. Yeah. Yes, I sell everything I use. We are not sell the ready-made. This one, the bracelet I just made, will be as for the love to my customer. Okay, here, this one. This is the piece of the bracelet that we made. It's the very simple bracelet, just 2 piece. Okay, so this is one the design we make. Yeah, first one very simple and easy making. Here, this. So we show the technique, wrap the beads, hang the jumping on the chain. So only 2 technique here. Okay, then